Okay, so after a little bit, I went back in here and I started to mess with it and everything. I put some of these guys down here just to make sure that here at this intersection it's a little interactive. Got real hectic down here, so I deleted some units, deleted some cars. But what I did do is I added a convoy. I mean, they're not really going into battle. I'm actually just taking them over here to this marina. I added in a task relative to the commander. I need to actually link that task right now, and even though he's in civilian gear, he's still a commander. I put him in civilian gear just to make sure the gun wasn't there. And alright, let's see what happens. It's going to be real hectic here at first. I warn you that. Troop transports. And there they are, loaded up into the back. Ooh, 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 ooh. And I'm going to go ahead and get one myself. Traffic jam. See a traffic jam over here in the corner. This guy's been acting like douches all day. Check them out. I don't know where they're going. They need to go back to basic. Oh wow. It's still the beta. So I mean you're gonna have that. You're gonna have a lot of that. See if I can get a little nudge. They have no clue how to drive. AI definitely needs updating. I'm late to lunch, so I ain't got nothing. What's the end? Looks like a pretty big base. We're in a race for front seat of the diner. There we go. It's got a 50 cal at the top. You see that? See that? Pretty powerful. Here we are. Which town? The troops should be unloaded by now. Fuck that sign. I'm just go ahead and get out right here. Maybe shoot some hoops. Yeah. Obeying no laws. I'm jaywalking at everything. Here. Oh, there they are. One of them got some nice lady friend that cooks for everybody. Let's see where they're at. Yeah, here on the opposite street. Everybody's unloaded. Nice, nice. Nice trip to town. There it goes, right there. I mean, this ArmA 3 is in the beta. It's just a little show of what you can do with mapping, waypoints, create scenarios. Still got one person left. He would have been here earlier by the time they were unloading. Keep running into each other within this beta, so let's see what happens. See if they want to get out or not. Looks like they're standing guard. One of the other guys got out. Or if they even made it, actually. I have no idea. If they would even made it. Keep playing bump cars. I bet you if I go back there, I'll still see a couple of them. It was like, yeah, flat tire on the road. Yep. Oh, you got a flat tire. Oh, yep, there he is. I think this is the last guy. He's probably gonna get a flat tire too. Knock down the fence? Dang! Now somebody hungry. And there you go. ArmA 3.